Hello welcome guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to show all taskbar icons in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to show all taskbar icons in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. First right click in taskbar area, click on taskbar settings. After scroll down, click on select which icons appear on the taskbar. So click it, and here option if you want to show all icons, so /2 on position. That's so guys, very easy. If you want to all icons in the notification area show, so /2 on position. That is so guys, this is very simple and easy and quickly method if you want to show all taskbar icons in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update.